What you doing, Zoey? You are what? What you are?
Turkey mushy.
And do the dance, Zoey. Do the dance. Come on.
Zoey, you.
Come on, get in the truck.
You don't stop. Don't stop.
Okay, I ain't recording no more.
Yay! Can I see?
No, you can't see.
Ah! Can I see?
It's over there, Zoey, the turkey vulture. It's over there, Zoey, the turkey vulture. You see it? It's right there. It's right there, Zoey. Go get him, Zoey. Go beat him in the eye. Punch him in the eye. You see him, Zoey? You go in there first.
No, I'm scared.
Oh, you scared now? Are you scared for now, Zoey?
Wake up. He's gonna recognize me.
So why you running, Zoey? You haven't seen nothing over there.
Get me in the truck. I want to see him naked.
Okay.
Get me in the truck. Get me in the truck before he sees me. Get me, hurry. Get me up.
Okay.
He can't see me. Now shut the door.
Shut the door.
I don't know how to shut the door. Dada, get in too.
No, I'm gonna fight turkey vulture. I'll see you later. I'm gonna fight the turkey vulture. I'll see you later. Zoey, what is doing in there, Zoey?
Close the door.
Zoey, why you got this up in there?
I want to.
Huh?
Well, I want to, so close the door.
No, you only had it up in there. Why you still had this up in there?
No.
My monies.
My money.
I got all the monies. You can get that out of there. Don't put it in there. Ain't them two little doggone balls in here. You put them up too. What's wrong with you?
Close the door.
No, I ain't closing no door.
I thought it was turkey washi. That's a stick.
That's a stick.
Yeah, that one. It's black.
Oh, okay.
So come in.
Okay.